Hey guys, and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today we will be illustrating a stack of hay on a card, and for the materials and supplies I will be using same ones I used for my previous illustrations, so all of them are listed in the description box. If you want to check something out, you can find it there. I'm starting with my sketch and I just drew 2 circles for the wheel, and then for the wires inside, drew the bottom part of my card, sides, and also the top. I do want my card to be just a basic shape. This is going to be a basic square, and on top I'm just drawing in a stack of hay, and I decided to add a couple of pumpkins in the hay because, you know, why not? It is Halloween coming up soon, so that's why I decided to add them. Maybe someone threw a couple of pumpkins in hay. Now adding some boards, wooden boards, to my card, and also the ones that go from the top to the bottom, those vertical ones. And if you prefer it that way, you can do your sketch just on regular printing paper and then trace it onto watercolor paper. I do think this is quite simple sketch, so I did not do that, and I'm just training myself also in this Inktober not to sketch on just printing paper, but sketch directly onto watercolor paper. So I just train myself to be a little bit more precise. And when I was finished with a pencil sketch, I moved on to the inking. I'm using this Micron 01 ink pen and just adding the details, basic inking to the card and also to the hay. I do want it to make it look like there are some more stacks, more different piles of hay in one stack. So I'm just adding those details. My lines are random because I do believe that it looks a little bit more natural if you make it a little bit more random. And also I did add a bit more details to the wooden boards on the card, so just to make it look like it's wood. I'm starting with sweet yellow and painting my hay, and then adding on top a little bit of the coffee brown where I do think the shadows would be and the darker parts on my hay. And also I did want to make it a little bit looser, so I'm just splattering first some coffee brown and then on top some clean water, just to spread that paint and to make it looser, a little bit more random. Then painting in the card, again using coffee brown for the first layer, for the handle, and a little bit of the black, also for the wheel, and some splatters with coffee brown. This time on the bottom, picking up a little bit of the clean water again to, I guess, move that paint and to make puddles rather than splatters. And now with a little bit of coffee brown mixed in with black, I'm adding in darker shades on my card, also painting a wheel, second layer, because I did want to make it quite dark, so I decided to add one more layer of black, and also those wires in between, painting in with black. For the pumpkins, I'm using leaf orange and a little bit of the sweet yellow, and again adding a bit more of the coffee brown beneath my pumpkins, and also in some parts where I do want the, I guess, texture on my hay, splatters with coffee brown and splatters with black. And also I decided to add a touch of black to my pumpkins to create shadows there and some details here and there on my hay. And with that, I'll be finishing off this illustration and this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button, share it, and comment if you haven't still. Please do subscribe to my channel. That would be awesome. There are over 400 tutorials there, so I'm sure you'll find something for yourself. Real-time videos for the Inktober are available for my channel members, so if you want to read a little bit more about the membership, there is a link in the description box. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!